Hello friends, so here we are doing the another video for dime novels. This is the second part. In the previous part you have got the information about characteristics of dime novels. Here we will get to know about few important novels which fall under this category. So here is the first one, which is called Meliska. Meliska, the Indian Wife of White Hunter, which was published in 1860, written by N.S. Stephens. This was one of the first dime novels published in 1860, and it also had the same cost, that is 10 cents. A good but somewhat sad story of natives and settlers in New York. A sad story about Malishka, an indigenous wife who falls in love and marries with a white man. So the next very famous one is the Old Sleuth. The Old Sleuth was the leader of the hundreds of detective and crime novels and magazines issued by various publishers. We can say the time period must have been from 1870s to 1920s. In over 15 different series, these novels got published, and the sleuth was believed to be the pseudonym of Harlan Page Halsey. The dime novel detective Old Sleuth was the creation of Harlan Halsey and is said to be the first character to use the word sleuth. Sleuth word पहली बार यूज किया गया था to show a detective. It first appeared in 1872 in the Fireside Companion, and the Old Sleuth is a disguised young man, and in many of the novels he is finding some missing people. He is fighting against something wrong going on. The collection contains detective novels by pioneering writer Harlan Page Halsey, and better known as Old Sleuth. The next one is Secret Service. Secret Service एक 32 पेज की वीकली मैगजीन थी. It also had detective stories जिसमें दो characters feature हुआ करते थे, old King Brady and young King Brady. The pair run the Brady Detective Bureau in New York City with the help of few other characters like Alice, the able office assistant, and they track down criminal activities across the globe. So this was all about the important dime novels. Let us see what type of questions you can have from this topic. I'll not be telling you the answers. Please tell me the answers in the comments. Let us have a look at the first question. 19th century novels earned their nickname the dime novel because of which of the four reasons? Please read properly all the four options and give me the right answer. The next question, Irving and Erasmus Beadle and Robert Adams published the first dime novel under their publishing house Beadles and Adams in which year? Please give the answer in comments. Next question, third one. I hope you can answer it easily. I discussed it during the first part of the video. The first dime novel was a short novel entitled which of the following? Malishka, Fernleaf's Ruth Hall, or Uncle Tom's Cabin? The next question, fifth question, Malishka, the Indian Wife of White Hunter, was written by which of the following? Frank Munshe, Mrs. N.S. Stephens, Nick Carter, or Frank Tossi? Next one, question number 5. The sleuth was believed to be pseudonym of which of the following writer? Mrs. N.S. Stephens, Nick Carter, Frank Tossi, or Harlan Page Halsey? Next question, question number 6. Dash was a 32-page weekly magazine of detective stories featuring old and young King Brady. Secret Service, Malishka, the Indian Wife of the White Hunter, Fernleafs, or Ruth Hall? Please provide me all these answers in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. Best of luck for exam, and please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel.